Excuse me, would you like some free potatoes?
This man forages for waste food in bins. He collects leftovers from local shops and restaurants to make compost. When I first met John Cosson 15 years ago, he was already composting some unusual things.
I'm sorry to say, I found a cat on the side of the road and I've composted that.
If anything, he's even more into composting now. So listen, how many compost heaps have you got now?
I don't know, maybe about 40. Do you want to come and have a look?
John says composting is easy. A bit of chopping, a bit of forking, a bit of riddling and...
I think one of the best things is it's a way to connect you with nature. It's something that anybody can do who's got a garden, and it makes you connected with the cycle of food going to waste and putting it in the soil and then growing more food.
His compost goes to local gardens. Environmentalists and some economists say composting shows us how the whole economy needs to change.
Here's some hose pipe. So, we've inherited a linear industrial system where we take Earth's materials, put them in the pipe of production, make them into stuff we want, use it often only once, and throw it away. And that take, make, use, lose has been pushing us over the limits of our planet and running down the life support systems we depend upon. We've got to bend that linear process into a circular or cyclical one, so that resources are used again and again, far more carefully, more collectively, creatively, and slowly. And so nature does this anyway.
Many of us already compost by putting food waste in the green bin. It goes off to plants like this that rot it down in big vats. It gives off methane, which is used to generate electricity.
Whoa. And what's left, look at that, is a lovely, rich, liquid fertiliser that can be put back on the fields.
The government wants all local authorities to offer food waste recycling within the next 2 years. And John believes we shouldn't stop there.
I think we can compost human beings. I mean, what happens in nature when something dies? It gets incorporated into the soil very, very quickly. So I don't see humans as separate from nature. We are part of the cycle.
But for you, this is the ultimate
Absolutely.
recycling.
I want to be composted when I die.